Guys, I'm back with another Door Slammers video, and today I'm going to see if like some of my S10 trucks or my Mustangs are faster than other people's cars. So let's get straight into it. Hold on, let me turn down my TV. I was watching drag racing.
2017 has officially come to an end. This is the depressing time when all the trailers start coming out. People load up their cars. It's been an amazing trip. Big thank you to Hot Rod for continuing to let us come out here for our 11th year.
Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. First I'm going to show you guys my cars. I call this car, let me turn it down. I call this car Smoke. Oh, I call this truck Little Buddy. Okay. I call this S10. I call this little baby. This truck right here has nitrous. That other truck that I just showed y'all, it does not have nitrous. I already showed y'all Smoke. This is my Monte Carlo. Alright, that was my Monte Carlo. I call this the Hellboy, which is a Mustang. This is made by Chevy, I believe. Yeah, this is made by Chevy, and this is a Camaro. I have to change the color on this. I'm gonna do that later. Okay, this is a Hot Rod. I think this is made by Ford or Chevy. One of those, but I think Ford. This is what I call my Hot Rod. I think this is a Pontiac. I believe this is a Pontiac. I really don't know. I just put GTA. And this is my Camaro with nitrous, as you can see. Yep, this is my Camaro with nitrous. And this is my Corvette. I just literally bought it today. And if you watch this, guys, this game is called Door Slammers 2. If you look up, you'll see I have 2.0 million. On the next video, I will show, or this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the glitch to get all that money. This is my Corvette. I think this has nitrous on it. This is my truck. I built this truck to do wheelies. And if you want your car to do a wheelie, you have to go to body and then go to body right there. You either have the option to do slammed or geyser. I choose geyser because that's the one that best do the wheelie. In my last car, I really don't know what type of car this is, but this thing go fast. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's actually get some other people. This thing goes fast. Come on, hurry up. Alright. He's nowhere near. I think I went 175 miles an hour or 79. And if you look on the right side where it say left at the top, it show what time I ran and stuff and how much miles I went. Wait, I don't think it show that. Oh yes it does. I went 167 miles an hour. And I ran a 4.6. That's fast for a car that has nitrous. Alright, so let me get inside my S10. By the way, this truck and that other truck that I showed y'all the first time, those are two S10s if y'all don't know. body. Let me put slam. It looked way better when it's slam. My brother was just playing, so he was messing it up. Okay, so let's start. Let's go, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna win, definitely. Oh, and this S10 has nitrous. And comment down below if y'all want me to show y'all how to do the glitch to get a lot of money in this game. Just comment down below. Okay, so I'm on the right hand side now. I ran a 5.0. And that other car that I just showed y'all, that orange one, I think I ran like a 4.8, 4.7, 4.6, I don't know. But, yeah. So now, let me get inside my Hellboy. My Hellboy, hold on. My Hellboy, it doesn't have nitrous. Look, those cars that I just showed y'all, you can only get nitrous on those cars. Or, if you want to get nitrous on them yourself, all you gotta do is just go to the store. Mine is not loaded. I don't know why. But all you gotta do is just go to the store. Or, I think you can't buy cash on this game. You only can buy gold. So, if you try to go to buy gold, and you get some, you have to buy the gold with actual money. So if you try to buy some nitrous, hold on. If you try to buy some nitrous, you could buy it because it tell you how much there is right there. And like when you go to the engine, you could get either a single turbo engine engine, or a twin turbo, or you just could get a blower. You'll get a root blower or a screw blower. I will be doing more videos later on this week, but not a lot because I have school. Car shot race. And just comment down below if y'all want me to do more videos. Let's try this Camaro. Let me do a garage race. Wait, no. I'm gonna do my career. We'll do quick 16. I'm gonna see if I can win. After y'all gonna see how this Camaro just pull a wheelie without no wheelie bars. I don't have no wheelie bars on it. Watch how the thing. Just watch how it pulls a wheelie. That really slow it down. So I gotta put some wheelie bars on it. Well, I lost that to put some wheelie bars on this. Make them 2 inches. That's the long one. That's the short one. So I'm gonna keep it up. Should I either get those or these? I'm gonna get that. I think I'll do good now. Here we go. I'm doing a garage race. A garage race is when you like bet a lot of money. And as you can currently see, I have I think I have 2.1 million now, but let me back out so that he could. Oh, he's in the Camaro too. Come on, he needs to hurry up. He needs to hurry up. Well, this gonna be an easy money race for me. Dang it, no. Let's see how it does when it pulls a wheelie. See? That wheelie bar helps it don't pull a wheelie at all. I think I ran a good time. Guys, like I said, just comment down below if y'all want me to show you how to glitch and get a lot of money in this game. It's called Door Slammers 1. They only got 2 out right now. It's called Door Slammers 1. The first one this one that I'm playing right now is called Door Slammers. The other one that I'm gonna show y'all in the next video is going to be called Door Slammers 2. But I ran a 4.6, which is not bad for a Camaro that definitely has nitrous. That's not bad at all. Excuse me, I'm watching drag races. Alright, so I ran a 4.6. I went 171 miles an hour. That's not bad for a Camaro. And a half mile, that's not bad. So, like I said, just comment down below if y'all want me to show y'all how to get a lot of money in this game. Just comment down below. Comment down below what other games y'all want me to play, how to glitch in that game, all that type of stuff. There's no races in here? Say 100. Well, let me go to Heads Up. Oh, I was racing with this kid earlier. He has a Chevy. He has a Mustang with turbo or blower on it, I think. Hey, I think he took it off. Oh, he changed his whole entire car. Oh, that's the same Mustang. He blew his engine trying to beat me. Why is he lagging? His mom is probably on the Wi-Fi. That's probably why. I've been recording for 13 minutes. It doesn't seem like that. Like I said, I'm gonna just repeat it so y'all just won't forget or anything. Comment down below what y'all want me to do. I'll show you how to glitch in this game to get a lot of money. I don't know how to glitch in this game to get gold. So if you want to know how to glitch in this game to get gold, check on YouTube. Oh, he has an S10. That S10 looks so beautiful. Oh, he got turbo on that. I bet he ran like a 4 point something because that didn't seem like a 3. My dad has that same exact truck. Alright, so he ran a 4.0. My dad, he plays Door Slammers 2. He got a Monte Carlo with turbo. He bought it for the turbo and the boost. And for the blower. And he be running 4.0s. And he be running 3.9s and 3.8s. But this I wish my brother was like into drag racing and stuff like that, cause he's not. I'm gonna show you how this pulls a wheelie. When I pull a wheelie on this, like the whole car just flip, cause I try to go. Well, y'all gonna see. I know the truck is in the way, like you can't see nothing in front of you. That's the problem that I don't like about this truck. See? Oh, usually it flips over. Watch this. See? Things just go out of control. And if you guys have Xbox One and you guys play Forza Horizon 4, Fortnite, anything like that, just put it in the comment section down below. I'm about me no car. Let's see. I'm gonna show you how that S10 truck look. It look like this. If you want it like halfway already built, just go just like that. And if you want it like with nitrous or blower, and that's how it'll look. Once you get it, once you see it, it say 50 gold for twin turbo. You could get a fifth. You could get 50 gold to get a screw blower. Personally, me, I'll get both, but like if it was to come to get one, I'll get the twin turbo. I'll get this one right here. But I really like a S10 truck. I like muscle cars. I like a Dodge Demon, Hellcat, Shelby, anything like that. Classics, anything. That's what I want to. Oh, they got weights in the front. I was thinking about getting me this. They have this on Forza Horizon 4, and they actually go pretty fast. If only they had trucks in this game, or like dually trucks. And you go to the Pro Mod one, you go to Modern, anything. I really think this is an Audi. A Mazda, Mustang, Corvette, Monte Carlo, Audi, S10, which is a Chevy, Corvette. I don't know what that is. Don't know. S10, don't know. Well, I know that's a Mustang, a Pontiac. I don't know. Corvette, Camaro. Don't know. Camaro, which is a Chevy. This is a dang it, what is it? This is a Plymouth. This is a dang it, what that was? A Mustang. This is a Bel Air, Monte Carlo. This is a Mustang Coupe. I really don't know what that is. I'm gonna buy it. It looks amazing. What, they did not put? You know what? Let me. Like, you can either come over here. You could either come over here with an engine or you just go get one of those. I'll try which one is the. This one is the best. Intake, blah blah blah. I think it would be good if I get this. Nigga, I'll sweet. Get some bullhorns on this. See it? I think that actually look nice. Wait, no. Body, wing. Oh yes. Hood. Scoop. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get it slammed. I'm gonna get it black. I'm gonna just get it black. And go that. Go to graphics. I'm gonna get. Come to the feet now, but they nigga not sweet. Oh, passed it. Do anything, they do anything for clout. Let me finish doing my changes. I'm actually about to do the glitch right now so I can get back to 2 mil. Hold on Should I get those? Yeah, I'm gonna get those. That's a big tire in the back. The thing I don't like about this game either is like the tire. You see how it say rear tires right here on the right? And it's wide as heck, but it don't be wide. Gotta upgrade that transmission. Body, I just did the body. Tune. Let's put it at. Let's try kill. See how it is when I practice. Oh my god, this thing just takes off and goes. This thing has good braking. It takes off and goes. What time did I run? 5.1. That seemed like a 4.3 to me. That thing is fast. Let's try him. Inside this bullshit ass Corvette. Watch I beat him. I knew it was gonna do that. Cause when I was doing my burnout, it was doing that. See, I would say first gear and I'm pressing the gas and won't go. So when I do that, sometimes I come all the way back here. I just do this. I prepared for 22 minutes. Okay. So I ran a... The reason I ran an 18 is because the thing had started. And it wasn't moving, so I had to go all the way back and do it over. Okay. It's time to actually do some heads up. Oh, I'm going to show you how to glitch. It's my Wi-Fi on. Alright. So the first thing you're going to do is just go ahead and just do the race. Back up. It don't matter if you lose or win. It don't matter. Alright. So it don't matter if you win or lose. Just go ahead and do the race. He is not catching up to me. Alright, so you want to make sure that you have your Wi-Fi on. So all you just want to do is just stop the car. Remember, I had 1 million. I had 1.9. You want to turn off the Wi-Fi. Then when you turn off the Wi-Fi, just keep on pressing the back button on the top left. Keep on pressing it as fast as possible. That will help this glitch. And then when it loads up, remember I had 1.9. Just keep on watching my money. If you rewind, you'll see how much money I had before. Then you'll see that I have even more money now. You see how it's like total 6,000? It gives you like 50 times more. Okay, so see, just remember that. So when you go back to this, you just want to turn on your Wi-Fi. Make sure it's on. You want to race against somebody. I'm gonna wait today. Somebody get back on. Come on, people. Where are you? Dang, I was offline. So oh, here you go. Dang it, he was already sucking. Alright. So, all you want to do is make sure you have your Wi-Fi on. You remember my money from last time, so watch this one. Come on, car. Yeah, it's gonna do what it did last time when it stayed still. Watch this. See? Have to back up. I hate when it does that. Also, I said it don't matter if you lose or win. Blah, blah, blah. So it don't matter if you lose or win. So you're gonna do is just pass that thing where it tell you what you ran, which is that big thing. Once you pass it, just on the brakes, just hold the brake. Make sure you have on your Wi-Fi. Want to turn off your Wi-Fi. Just keep on procrastination. Remember how much money I had last time? Want to increase. See, now I have 2.0 million. And you see how it say total 2,000? It gives you way more than that. And that is the glitch. Now I'm going to get back into the main video, which is me seeing if my cars could beat anybody else's. I won one race so far. I'm going to sat my car that I call Little Buddy. That said regular S10 truck, fully upgraded without no nitrous. And no blower, no turbo, no anything. Just have a big block, Cuban inch, I don't know what it is. NASCAR engine in it. I did an engine swap. What else? Have a big tire in the back, drag tire. Big block. And yeah. Oh my god, let me just do a heads up. I was offline. I feel like eating some pizza. Oh, here goes somebody. All I'm gonna do is just on head. This is my S10 without the nitrous. That's what I need to get me. I've been seeing those lately.